people who know me know that I'm not a male basher.
Yeah.
I am not one of those people who encourages male bashing at all. Our foremothers have been fighting for us for hundreds of years. And it is because because they loved us, they stood up for us, they fought for us, they suffered for us,
Yeah.
that we are here as evolved or as supported or as empowered,
Yeah.
being the right word, as empowered as we are today, because of our foremothers who fought, who revolted, who said, no, I will not do this. I'm going to burn my bra. We are in the fifth wave of feminism, right? What has been done to the boys? I have a friend, Kalpesh, you know him.
Yeah.
And in one of our Zanan circles where, he had come to attend like the final circle that we do. And he said this very beautiful thing, which I will never forget. And it aligned with me so deeply. He said, जब हम बच्चे थे ना, तो बहनें भाई ये 5-6 साल की उम्र से लेके 13-14 साल की उम्र तक हमारा वाड़ा होता था महाराष्ट्र में. तो वो उसमें हम ना ऐसे भागते, हाउ दिस बंच ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, वो बस ऐसे दौड़ रहे हैं, कभी इस कमरे में जा रहे हैं, कभी उस कमरे में जा रहे हैं, कभी लेडीज के कमरे में चले गए, कभी किचन में चले गए, कुछ चुप के खा लिया, उठा लिया. एंड ही सेड वी यूज्ड टू डू दैट. एंड एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जो अंकल होते थे या जो मेन होते थे, वो एक कोने में खड़े होते थे, कोई सिगरेट पी रहा है, कोई मतलब, बट द चिल्ड्रन हैड नो एंट्री देयर. You couldn't go into that space. The children knew कि वहां नहीं जाना है, वहां पे सब अंकल, चाचा, ताया, पापा, मर्द बैठे हैं, उनके पास जाना नहीं है. These are not like safe people. He says at the age of 13, those doors closed for us. The girls went into those rooms, but we were standard outside.
And you couldn't even join
And you couldn't join the men yet. And if you had to join the men, then there was a price.
Yeah.
To join that club, you had to either exhibit brute strength, or you have to exhibit financial, supremacy, or you have to completely subscribe to their belief system, their ideas, their, value and moral like compass. One thing which goes here and there, and you're not a man anymore. And it is heartbreaking that we don't have a single wave of men who said,
I will take.
Come with me. Yeah. Hold their hand and say, come beta, let me show you what it is to be a man. Our foremothers have been telling us, what do you want? You want to grow a fucking mustache? You grow a mustache. तेरे को क्या करने का है? तू बोल. तू जो करेगी तू औरत है.